that's why yes. And this is for egg production. From the village? Yes, from the village. And this is medicine from the village.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samson-The. In today's video I'm going to show you these particular medicines that can actually be used to cure lots of diseases and help your village chickens to have that to lay more eggs. And also this medicine can be used for deworming the chickens as well. So I was here at this stand in the Lusaka's showgrounds, agricultural showgrounds, where the vice president was actually there, and this woman actually explained to us how these medicines can actually be used. Okay, so let's take a listen to them. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification, and also make sure that you like this video, guys. I would really appreciate. Let's go.
But now we know that it is medication. It's an antibiotic. And that's why we want everyone to know about this. It will help them to village chickens, which people want now to buy. And it is also nutritious and healthy for our body. And then we shall also make money so that we don't go back to the father. Yes, and we want to teach our youth also, because they are the future generation, so that they know. From this same medicine, we are trying to so that people can know. Yes. 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 One cook. So, but we don't want to be given free money that we can work for. Yes. So that when we use it, we want you also to understand what we are doing. Yes. So that these chickens will combination of the two, and then you have the female. They are quiet. Sana ama we mzunala, and when it has worked, it can be so that's why yes, and this is for egg production from the village. Yes, from the village, and this is medicine from the village. That's why one candidate first good and away. They don't know about money for it.
Bonsabani bangwele, bonsabani bangwele, wala isandamula, wala mulendamula, wala isandamula.
Thank you. Gatabamyafuire mukanje bapantu kana kantapa niru settlement ya Moses so kumona fe ba PS aba nangu ba commercial ataba tutera tubali twebere so
Those were the women in different parts of the country actually explaining to the Vice President the value that you can find in these natural medicines for chickens. And you see the chickens here, they can actually keep them using the homemade medicines which actually work. You can see some of these here. Some of these can be used for egg production. If you want chickens to have a lot of eggs, you can actually use this. I think all they need is basically what they're just from telling the vice president. It's empowerment. You know, they've tried to empower themselves at you know, that low level just to start up, and then if the small business and the entrepreneurs ministry can actually look into them, they can actually be manufacturing these at a larger scale. Yeah, and also encouraging other people who would want to get into this business of keeping chickens such as these to join them. Yeah. So thank you so much.